Hey guys, welcome back to Wednesdays with Ryan. Today we're going to be making some scrambled eggs. It's pretty similar to Gordon Ramsay's scrambled eggs, but a little different, I think. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I got a little bowl here and my whisk. I'm gonna use 3 eggs today. So I'm just gonna crack them into this bowl and whisk them up. Ugh. Alright, just rinse off my hands real quick. Dry them off. And just pop the yolks here. And just whisk them on up. Well, you know what? I think I'm going to switch to a different bowl. This one's a little too shallow. Alright, that's probably good. You don't want to do them too much. Alright, so I got my cast iron pan here, and I didn't even turn on the heat yet. But I'm going to put in all my stuff first here. So I got all my eggs. And I've just got about a tablespoon and a half of butter here. I'm going to throw that in too. And then I'm just going to turn it on to about a medium heat probably. And let that start to get heated up. I'm going to take a rubber spatula here. And pretty much you just got to stir this constantly. Just keep it stirred. And what stirring it the entire time does is it makes the curd, like when you're cooking it, you get like the big chunks of eggs. You don't want that. You want them to be very, very small. And when you stir it like this the entire time, you get the smaller curd of egg. It's starting to, you can tell the pan's starting to heat up on the bottom there. You can see it's starting to heat or cook. Alright, I'm going to cut the camera for a minute or so. When the butter's melted and it starts cooking a little more. Alright, as you can see, well, you probably can't see, but it started to cook and it's thickening up here, so I've taken it off the heat so I can keep stirring it so it doesn't cook too fast. Then once that burner turns off, because this stupid electric stove, put it back on here. And you just want to keep stirring it. Butter's almost melted. Which is good. Help it not stick to your pan. There we go. You just gotta keep stirring this. Alright, it's starting to thick up some more. I'm gonna take it off the heat. Keep stirring it. back on the heat. Like I said, you gotta keep stirring it to get the smaller curd. See how it's thicker than it was when it was completely raw? It looks almost not chunky, but it means it's starting to cook. But normally at this stage you'd have big old clumps of cooked egg and then a bunch of watery uncooked egg. Oh, you take this off the heat. And that's just not good, in my opinion. So I like doing it this way. It almost turns out creamy in the end. And you're probably going to think it's not cooked, but that's stupid. Oops. Put it back on the heat. Keep it going. I think I'm going to put this over top some toast. Eggs like these are really good over top of toast. Back off the heat here. You really gotta stir this the entire time it's cooking. So if you don't, it'll go from just right to overcooked in an instant. Back on the heat for a second. See how thick this is now? But it's not just a bunch of giant chunks of overcooked egg. Take this off the heat. And this right here is done. It might look undercooked, but it's not. Trust me. And I'm gonna get some salt and pepper here. Turn off my heat. Put some salt and pepper and season these. Not too much. Some pepper. Freshly cracked pepper is the best, believe me. Alright. Scooch in a little bit. Now this is done. Probably looks a little undercooked, but it's not. Believe me, it's up to temperature. Alright, make some toast. Let's go. Alright, so I got my eggs, my scrambled eggs here. Just made some toast, put some butter on it, and put the eggs on top. Let's give it a try. Got a foam plate here, so I gotta make sure I don't cut too deep. Okay, I have enough room. Not a big fan of foam plates. I like paper plates. And of course, it all fell off. What a shocker. You know, I usually don't like scrambled eggs the normal way. I don't think a lot of people like scrambled eggs very much, because everybody overcooks eggs. And I think most people that don't like scrambled eggs, if they tried it this way, they'd probably like them a lot more. Yeah. that's pretty much it for this week's Wednesdays with Ryan. I'll see you next time. Next week, we're going to be making some grilled cheeses. I'll give you a little spoiler. So, I'll see you next time.